Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Baptiste on console. Baptiste's primary weapon, the Biotic Launcher, offers a versatile 3-round burst for dealing damage to enemies. Simultaneously, its secondary fire launches powerful healing grenades, restoring health to your allies. Don't forget his regenerative burst ability, which provides a substantial burst of healing for both yourself and any nearby teammates, making you a resilient support hero. Next, let's look at two of Baptiste's most impactful abilities. The Immortality Field is crucial. Deploy it to create a small area where allies cannot be eliminated, buying valuable seconds. Remember to use your exo boots to gain verticality, allowing you to reach high ground for improved positioning and a safer vantage point. Mastering these two abilities is key to Baptiste's survivability and team utility. Baptiste's ultimate ability, Amplification Matrix, is a game changer. When deployed, it creates a large energy matrix that doubles the effectiveness of any friendly projectiles, both damage and healing, that pass through it. Position this ultimate carefully, perhaps in a choke point or behind your tanks, to allow your team to unleash devastating damage or provide massive healing. It's incredibly powerful when combined with other ultimates. For an easy method to play Baptiste, focus on smart positioning. Always aim to stay with your team, often behind your tanks, to provide consistent healing and damage. Utilize your exo boots frequently to access high ground, giving you a safer perspective and better angles for both healing and attacking. Practice switching between your healing grenades and damage bursts to maintain constant pressure and support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.